Hello and welcome back to NightBiz. Today we're looking at Butternut AI website builder that lets you create fast websites with the power of AI. Butternut has a cool AI chatbot that allows you to communicate with the website via prompts to create sections. You can even edit the raw HTML, CSS and even JavaScript. Butternut will save you a lot of time and even save you a lot of money. Butternut comes with hosting and is built with SEO in mind. And best of all, there is a lifetime deal. Right, I've already created an account with Butternut AI and built a sample gym website. So let's dive into the dashboard. This is the Butternut AI dashboard. As you can see, it is super clean, especially compared to the likes of WordPress. On the left side, we have our home, help, billing, website mapping, and logout buttons. Right here in the middle are websites. We have settings, activate, edit, and delete. Let's look at the settings. We have our domain mapping, subscribers, SEO, custom data, custom chatbot, custom scripts, analytics, and our subscription plan. This is my fictional gym website that I asked Butternut to create. I prompted a generic brick and mortar gym, classes, boxing, yoga, weights, pool, personal trainers, a monthly payment plans, and this is what I got. It was fast too. It was generated in like a minute or so. I've not edited anything on the website apart from the location. As Butternut is really smart, it knows your location and it inputs that into the website. So for privacy reasons, I've changed that to Cardiff, Wales. Let's explore the website and find areas to improve and see how easy it is to edit. Right, let's start editing the website. Firstly, we can change the theme of the website. We can globally change the text size. And as you can see, the buttons, headings, and text are all getting bigger or smaller based on what I click. A bit of an issue. It's not showing me how much bigger or smaller the text is getting. Hopefully they'll amend that in a future update. And when you're happy, hit apply and you get a success message when your updates have been made. Right, so now let's go back to the main header. We can add pages, we can edit pages, we can edit the nav bar, and there we are. We got our title, we can change, we can hide it, we can upload a logo, we can add the little icon that appears on your yeah, there we are. So you can see that's the little icon. Of course, you can show or hide your Facebook. I'd actually suggest hiding the social medias, as you don't want to encourage people to leave the actual website. And we can change the call to action text. I'll change it to get offer. Let's go back to the theme settings. We got light and dark mode. As you can see, the website looks pretty good and dark, so it's a nice feature. Be nice if there's like a toggle button on the website. And we can change the fonts, so we got all the Google fonts available. We got our main and second headings. So we can change the theme color of the website. Right, so let's see if we can add a button. So we can give the button, so we could choose a page, we could save. So I wanted to see if the button would change based upon the theme settings. Looks like it does not. But we can manually change the color of the button to match the theme. So it'd be nice if these two were sort of linked. I'm sure that's something that can be implemented. We can change the button text. But I don't see a means to choose how the button opens, like same page or new tab. So I'd like to see those features added. Right, let's see if we can change the image, because it's got a bit of a yoga feel. So using AI, we should be able to regenerate the image. and that was pretty fast, but that is still a yoga style image, and I want a more generic gym image. So let's see if we can type in my prompt. Right, so that's quite a nice prompt description. Let's hit add, and it's well, that's even worse. I'm not sure why it did not understand that prompt. And again, nope. So the AI image generation is bad. Finally, we get a suitable image. I'd say that the image generation is super fast. It's just not very accurate. Yeah, so I'd say about 8 out of 10 images are just not the correct style. We'll just go for this one. Right, so let's see if we can edit the text then. So click on edit. We can edit the heading. We can make it bold. We can underline the text. Hit save, and there we are. So pretty straightforward. Let's edit the description. It's a WYSIWYG word editor style. We can even add visuals and video. Looking at the description text, I was looking to see if we could actually edit the text with AI. Looks like we cannot. That's a shame, because that seems like a missed opportunity. We can regenerate the text using AI. So I was going to give this text a read. Okay, so it reads quite well. Let's see if we can regenerate it. Seems to be taking forever. It actually took around 20 seconds to regenerate, which seems quite long considering how small that text is. Yeah, it reads okay. I think the quality is fine. We did lose our styles though that we added. Okay, let's see if we can add a section. So we can try using the AI bot builder. Looks like we can choose our section types. Let's go for features. Okay, so we can only select one at a time. Looks like we can't multi-select items. Okay, so I'm not really sure how this is meant to work. I guess we'll just hit generate. So we've got a nice little animation, and we've got a section generated. So the section looks okay, but it looks like we sort of have to be at the mercy of the AI to decide what kind of section we get. We don't really get a say in the sort of design. So some limitations of editing. I can't actually edit the sort of card box here. I'm trying to change the background color, but I'm not able to do so. The only way to change the color is to go to the change theme settings, and there you can change the color on a global scale. So you can't actually get granular control over the website sections. Okay, so let's build a section with AI. So it looks like we can talk to the AI bot to create a section as I desire. Okay, I've added my prompt for a new surface section with a hero, title, 4 columns with headings, descriptions, and a call to action button. It's now generating my prompt. It's pretty decent on speed. Alright, here is my section, generated by AI. So yeah, basically it has produced what I asked it to. We have a hero image, a title, 4 boxes with headings, and a text and a call to action button below my cards. Not bad. I'd say it needs a bit more spacing and padding. Oh wow, okay, this looks cool. We get access to the raw HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Very nice, and this will actually give us that granular control for editing our sections. Super cool feature. Although you do have to know how to code in order to take advantage of it. Alright, now I've actually gone ahead and regenerated my section again. This time I've prompted a gradient background, a heading, 4 cards with images, headings, text, and call to action buttons. As you can see, it looks pretty decent, but it could do with a little bit of tweaking. Like for starters, the buttons should really get aligned to the bottom. All the images need to be the same size and equal height columns. The images are inaccurate, so let's see if I can fix that using the AI prompt box. I've added my prompt. It's now generating again. Okay, yep. It's moved the buttons to the bottom. Good. Okay, so my next prompt, I'm going to see if I can make all the cards like the same size or equal heights. Okay, let's see if we can quickly change the button name using the raw HTML editor. Okay, it worked. However, I changed the wrong button, but it does work. I'm not a fan of having to keep scrolling down and up to edit the code and then see the visual design. Right, can we change the images? Okay. The AI bot is not understanding my request. It's changed the images based upon the heading titles, which I asked it to. However, it's misunderstood by actually physically changing the images into text and not into actual images based upon the titles. So that's a bit annoying. Okay, so I've tried to upload an image and I'm trying to ask the AI bot to use the image, but it's just not working. I've tried it a few times now and it's just not going to work, so I'm just going to move on. Let's look at the contact form. We can't seem to add any fields, but we can change the placeholder words and we can change the button name. I'm going to change the button name to Join Our Gym. Okay, let's see if we can make a new form using AI. I want a 2-column layout with my phone, address, etc. on the left hand side and the contact form on the right with email, name, phone and some drop down fields on the right and a contact button that says get help. Right, let's see if the AI can do what I asked. And the answer is yes, it can. This turned out great. We have my title and phone number and address on the left, and on the right we have my form complete with a drop-down fields, and the AI has even populated the fields with options related to the website services. Awesome. Let's take a look at the pricing page. A basic and premium monthly subscription offer. Of course, we can edit the details with the text editor. Right, I'm going to try and regenerate with comments using the AI. Let's see if we can make the £120 bigger. Okay, nothing seems to happen. Okay, we'll move on. Butternut AI website builder does indeed come with a AI blog maker, and we can either write our own blog or use AI. We'll use AI. Okay, it's a multi-step process. We'll start by giving the AI blog an idea. First, I'm going to set the brand voice, super cool feature by the way. Content is for my business and I'll add a few keywords. Okay, I'll paste in my idea. We'll hit next. Okay, so we have nice animations and I like that Butternut is informing us it is doing. So far I'm impressed with the blog creation process. Alright, it has given us 5 possible titles to choose from. Cool. All sounds great. I'm just going to pick this one and we'll hit next. Now it's creating my blog and it's super quick. Right, here's my blog. Okay, so now we have the layout. It's given us a title, suggested some keywords, and we can even look at the sort of layout of the content. So we got all the different paragraphs and we could change the names and we can delete, we can reorder the paragraphs. So it gives us nice fine control over the blog articles. And of course we'll generate the blog. Right, here's my blog post and straight away it looks great. We have a title, a blog image, date and author details. We can regenerate, we got SEO settings and we can preview the blog. We can edit the URL, meta, title and description, which have already been pre-filled for me, and the content again looks fine. Scrolling down the blog post, it all looks good. We got headings, we got a nice format. We don't seem to have a table of contents, and we even have some social sharing buttons. We can edit the blog. We can bold the text, add underline, etc. We can add links, we can add media, video and images, everything that we need to make the blog awesome. Okay, I'm just going to remove the blog date as it's better to not show the date on a blog. That way it has more longevity to the end user. Right, let's quickly take a look at the mobile responsive design, which by the way is automatically done for us, no editing required. Though it would be nice if we had a manual override, just in case. And as expected, Butternut's done an excellent job of the mobile design. All the pages look fine, the navigation's fine, yeah, everything's good. Right, so next I just want to quickly demonstrate how fast Butternut AI website builder is by generating a brand new website. We're not going to do any editing or anything, it's just a speed test and we'll take a look at how good the website looks. Right, let's go. After that, we'll take a look at the AppSumo lifetime deal. Right, I'm going to generate a new website. We'll give it a name and a prompt. My prompt is, I want a pet retreat for dogs, and I used ChatGPT to generate my prompt idea, and I asked it to include walking, indoor and outdoor play areas, holiday housing, grooming, vet services, and open 7 days a week with friendly staff, a free trial, and a monthly subscription plan. Generate. And it's just that fast. Less than 30 seconds and we have a website. We're still waiting on a few pages to generate, but just looking at the website so far, it looks absolutely amazing, and wow, this slider is super cool and the photos are on point. Oh, and the pages are done. So we got the website up in around 90 seconds to complete every single page. So that's still pretty fast. We've got our surfaces in a grid layout. I don't really like this layout. I'd prefer it if it had like more photographs to the surfaces. So if I were to edit, I would obviously edit this part. It's got a nice looking contact form again. We do have a subscribe mail form. And of course the header again is sticky. Our pricing table looks brilliant. Through it seems to be missing our free trial notice, but that can easily be added in. So yes, overall, I've created a pet holiday retreat website in less than 2 minutes, and it looks pretty good. Right, shall we go check out the lifetime deal? So right now, Butternut AI is available over at AppSumo on lifetime deal. The prices start from $69, and of course you get a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not happy for any reason, just refund it. If we go straight down to the deal plans, obviously you get lifetime access or future starter plan updates. Okay, so yeah, so that's potentially a drawback. Right, so on their actual website they have starter plan and pro plan. So unfortunately the Sumo plan is tied to the starter plan. However, there may well be some features available here that are included in their pro plan, so it might be a hybrid. No stacking, just choose the plan that's right. You can upgrade, downgrade, it's only for new Butternut AI users. And of course the features, AI driven tailored to your business, unlimited AI powered content and image generation. That's a little bit misleading because the images generated are actually just taking stock images from Unsplash. So it's not actually AI generated images, it's just finding images using AI. We get unlimited edits and regenerations, super generous. We do get SEO optimization, that is a good feature. Mobile, tablet, and laptop compatible websites, again it's done automatically, a good feature. We get all current and future basic integrations. So obviously a keyword there is basic. Obviously no branding, you get the CRM for managing people. You get an AI agent, so you get your own chatbot free SSL and hosting. So that will save you a lot of money in the long term. But it also means that you are tied to the Butternut platform, which means should Butternut go out of business, you effectively need to rebuild all your websites. So that is a risk. And of course you do that custom chatbot trained on your website data. Again, super modern feature. That is something pretty much all websites should now have. And of course you can make unlimited websites with one-click generation. Now of course we have 4 tiers to choose from. Unfortunately, the tiers are just a little bit on the pricey side. Tier 1 gives you a single website, Tier 2, 3 websites, Tier 3, 10 websites. Tier 4 only goes up to 25 sites and it is quite pricey. So it is good for freelancers, but obviously, you're not getting a massive amount of websites. Right, so Tier 1 is okay, but Tier 2 is definitely the sweet spot. Obviously, 3 websites is not many. The storage is fine. You get unlimited blog posts per month, which is generous. You get a WhatsApp integration, custom code embedding, and basically all the same features on Tier 4 and 3. But of course, you just have a limitation on how many websites you can connect. So this is great for people starting out in web design. And of course, in terms of reviews, they have 34 and a average TACO rating of 4.7, which is pretty decent. Anyway, if you plan on picking up Butternut AI, I would certainly appreciate it if you use my affiliate link located on screen. Just scan the QR code, or there's a purchase link in the description or first comment. Using my links means I do get a small percentage of the sale at no extra cost to you, and it does help support my channel. Okay, thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe.